Guys, today I'm gonna start working on a drone arm. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out the profile to light up this arm because it's too heavy, and I decide to cut the profile. So you can see on this page right there uh, the profile. Basically it's a bunch of triangles, the holes for electric motor. So, and it's gonna be on both sides of this arm, on the top and on the bottom, except I'm not gonna drill the holes for motor, obviously, because it's only on one side, but on the other side I'm gonna repeat the same shape, and I'm gonna cut the triangles. So overall I think I'm gonna make it lighter, so hopefully it's gonna be rigid enough. And now I'm gonna move to the shop and start CNC work. Alright guys, one side of the arm is complete, so now I'm gonna cut off the material and we're gonna have nice triangle holes along the side of the arm, and 7 more sides to go. I'm gonna do the same shape from I'm gonna cut the same shape from another side, and hopefully this light up this whole arm, because it's, like I said, it's too heavy. So basically by cutting those triangles off, again, kind of it's gonna be less weight for whole drone. So basically at this point I'm gonna cut off the material and then do rest of the work. Alright guys, here's the final result. I don't know if you can see in the camera. So, like I said, I'm gonna cut the same shape on this side. So this is gonna be lightweight structure. Alright, this concludes the video.